Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. And it's evening, so let's have some tea. And this one, as you can see, it's quite tropical and summery, beachy, beach kind of tea. So this is pina colada, and this with some rose peas, apple peas, and hibiscus. This one. This must be some flower bits and pineapple coconut. I think we are good. What a beautiful. Get some more. It's good for digestion. I am just thinking. Yes, and we will get some hot water. And today we will have some quiet time. Drink some tea and a loser unboxing. And I bought it. So I have not yet opened it because I want to open it with you. So let's do it. Now I go get my water, okay? Okay. The water is super duper boiling. Now I raise it up a little bit high, otherwise the noise will be a little bit too strong. Oh, I forgot. The leaves may not go down. Let's see. Leaf may go down, but the apple piece may not go down. The dried fruit piece, I should use a drainer, but it's okay. All these are edible, so I can just eat them. It smells good. Okay, so let's put the tea aside and we will look at our loser unboxing one at a time. Too early to pour the tea. Okay, so this one I always use it because I use it so often. So whenever I buy it, there is no hesitation, no time wasted. Sometimes I was thinking those minimalist, like the richest person, the richest young person in the world, have all the the clothes the same, and all the hoodies, gray hoodies, 20 gray hoodies every day. Sometimes I was thinking, wow, that saves time not to need to choose. Anyone is a gray hoodie or a black turtleneck. And then I was thinking, that is even more confusing, right? That is even harder. You choose between 20 gray hoodies. Which gray hoodie? Gray hoodie number 1, gray hoodie number 2, gray hoodie number 3, gray hoodie number 4, gray hoodie number 5, gray hoodie number 6. That's a lot of brain power in the algorithm of choosing number which, right? If you put a permutation combination of 20 hoodies, or maybe he does not have 20 hoodies, only 4, only 5 of it. Still, it's quite a big number, right? Anyway, and if you have 10 black turtleneck, it also will be quite hard. So maybe it's just better to have a piece of different color clothes. Today I am happy, I wear black. Tomorrow I'm sad, I wear red. Something like it. Yeah. So, well, let's take a look at it. So this is and I actually I am. Are we in the right zoom? It cannot zoom in. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh wow, it changed to another lens, I think. Oh, this is a flat. This is almost no texture. Oh yes, it has some texture. So I do not need to put any macro lens. iPhone now, I think they can change the lens. Wow, it's quite amazing, right? So this is the face powder. It's quite a decent product. Sometimes you imagine it so inexpensive they sell it. How can they manage with only $3 and shipping included? Only $3 or $4 you get this. It's kind of unbelievable. Okay, tea time. Now we are going to look at this. Recall killer. Recall killer. Who is named Recall killer? Recall killer. Oh my goodness, why you call your name killer? Recall, recall, recall killer, recall killer. The brand is a little bit bizarre. Recall killer. Yeah, it's their choice, not mine. I will not call my brand killer. This is a killer app. Well, maybe because a killer app is quite a la mode. Recall killer. So, and this is not the first time I use it. This is number 2, number 3, number 5, number 20, something like it. I have used it very, very, very often. And the last one is still the same brand. And the last one, the black, is a little bit silvery. And I did not like that silvery color, but I managed to finish it, and so I can buy a new one. And this is the new one, and the color, I like this color. There is dark color, a little bit silverish, coldish. It goes with my hair, this color. And still, when my eyebrow needs some darker color, this goes with eyebrow, with eyeshade, eyebrow. And this is the 火眼金睛 part. This is the glittering part. And this one also, let's see. Okay, we need to change camera lens. Get closer. Wow. Wow. Oh, this one is just naturally changed into another lens. Wow. Look at it. Oh, this one does not have any shimmering. This one has some shimmering. No shimmering. Oh, this one is full of shimmering. Shimmering. Oh, that looks cold. That's good. He Curl Killer. The brand is He Curl Killer. He Curl Killer. Oh no, not killer. He Curl Sumler. Okay, you have eye essential. I like it. With a small, this one is too small, not easy to use. I do not use this. Too small, not a little bit clumsy. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to live my life. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, friends. Now I have a cup of tea. Look at the tea. Oh, why it's shiny like this? Wow, what is that? Looks so strange. The reflection of the light or something? Enjoy. That's so strange.